Part 2 of building a Murphy bed for our office. Since we already got all of the cuts done, it was just now assembling everything and adding all of the hardware. This part might seem a little scary and like there's a lot of steps to it, but the instructions that came with the kit we got are super detailed and it walked us through everything. Once all of the hardware was on, we gave it a good sanding so everything will be nice and smooth when we go to paint it, and the rest of it had to be assembled inside the office, so we had to bring it in, and luckily it fit through the door. This is where everything started to come together and you could see the Murphy bed actually take shape. You can see here how the legs work when you fold down the Murphy bed. These help keep it up off the ground. The building portion of the Murphy bed is basically done. We just have all the finishing touches left to do, but we are going to do that at the end because we are actually going to build this completely into the wall, add some cabinets and bookshelves all around it, and it's going to look super awesome. So be sure to stay tuned for part 3 to see what else we do. Part 3 of building a Murphy bed, and let me catch you up on our progress so far. We ordered this hardware kit and got all of our wood. We built this frame for the mattress to sit in, sanded everything nice and smooth, built it, and brought it into the room. Once the bed itself was built, it was time to build all of the cabinets and shelving to make this more functional and to disguise the Murphy bed. We built all of this custom to fit our space and built all of the cabinets and shelving out of 3/4 inch pine. We framed everything out to make it look nice and neat and built in. Then we decided to add a bunch of 1x3s to the front of the bed to help disguise it even more to make it all look like cabinets. Then we built actual cabinet doors, and this was the first time we've ever done this, and it was surprisingly easy. To build the doors, we used 1x3s, 1/4 inch plywood, and lots of pocket holes. And to be fully caught up on the progress, the last thing we did was install this outlet on the top of the cabinet. This is how the Murphy bed is looking. I am shook at the progress so far. So stay tuned for part 4 to see the rest.
We get almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fire.